Hello everyone, I would like to welcome you all on my first stream of New Year, that is 2023, 9th January. We are waiting for the market to open in about 3 minutes, and I'm setting up a few things over here because I'm starting after a long time. So let's get back to it. Just give me a second. So 2 minutes to go for the market to open, and this is how my system is showing. So the white lines, the white dotted lines are the lines from New York yesterday's or Friday's New York session high and low. The red lines are the high and low from the London session, and the blue lines. Just a second. So the blue lines are going to be the levels from here. I have to set it up just a second. Something is wrong here. So yeah, these are the settings for my system. The blue lines are the high and low for Asian session. The white lines are the high and low from Friday's New York session, and the red lines are the lines for today's London high and low. We are going to be looking for the trades on 1 minute time frame after the market opens. That is going to be in 15 seconds. So let me set a few things up. Nine seconds for the market to open. And for those who are new to this live stream, they can always go to my Discord and look for the set of rules that I have for my system, for the which are going to tell us the entry criteria. Just a second. So the market is tanking. It has tanked for about 43 points as the market opened. Crazy fall, and I'm anticipating the price to go and test these levels of high and low of the prior sessions. And right now the prices has tested the edge of VWAP for today's level, that is this blue line. If the price goes below, the line will change its color to yellow. So great rejection. That was the first candle for New York session. So I'm not looking for any trades right now. I'll explain why. Just give me a minute. great, the price came and tested this level and the higher low from the Asian session, and now the price is shifting back to the upside. So what is my bullish continuation pattern? That would be my bullish continuation pattern, and I want the price to stay above the edge of 25 volts. And if this on this candle, if I get an entry with the edge of volume gates open, I will be entering on this trade for 50 points. And I will be sharing all of my results for the trades that I'm going to take on my Discord server. So if you are interested, you are most welcome to join it and check out the results. So
incoming mail.
second. So an entry over here for 50 points, but I'm not taking because I'm still setting up my FTMO. Just give me a minute so I can be in this trade. I'm not paying full attention to my to the chart right now, but it should be a probable entry, but I'm not in it because, like, as you can hear, I am still setting up my FTMO. So so that was not the right trade. I'll explain it to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned off.
And for those, I am using my DOM, using 1% of my capital on the trades. So I have already set everything over here. You can see I'm risking, my trades are going to be for 30 points, and the lot size is 33.34, and take profit level is also 30 points.
You are now free to move about the cabin.
Still not set. Yep, now it is set. All right. So let's go. So this was the first leg, which closed above the edger trend pivots. What I'm looking for this, if you pay attention, now we can start the session officially. So this was the first leg, right? This was the first leg. Every time the price closes above the trend pivot, it has to test the trend pivot, and this should be the second leg. And the third leg, we are going to enter and look for the buys. So right now there are no buys and there are no sells, okay? And I'll explain why there are no sells, because if the price is closing below this level, it has to close below this level. It has to test. It should not go above the trend pivots. It should close below the trend pivots. And on the third leg, we are going to look for entries. And I'll show you exactly when to enter. So right now we are just observing where the market is going, okay? Do not enter yet, guys. Also, there is no confirmation from the edger volume gate, so we are not going to enter any of the trades right now. We are just waiting for the right entry, and that's where we're going to enter the trade. No immature behavior here. I want to start with a really nice start in this new year's first trade, so it has to be a good one. We are not going to make any immature mistakes over here. We are going to be patient. We are going to be conquering the market if we are going to follow the set of rules that I have prepared. I need to turn up the music a little bit. Right. So on this candidate, we are going to look for some entries, and if I'm going to get the self information, there is a wallet glitch, I will be entering. So no entry over here. Don't wait yet. No entries. No entries yet. Market is just ranging, and this is the first important thing that you have to worry about. The price should not trade in between the trend pivots. That is what is telling me that there is no trend in the market right now. And currently, I'm not looking for any entries because it is not following my basic and most important rule. So please pay attention to that, guys. be my first leg if the price is gonna close above the edge of 20,000. That is where I'm gonna look for after the first leg completes and the second leg starts. On the third leg, I will look for like this has to be a really strong candle, valid candle with the circle like this, circle like on this candle, something like this. So if it's a valid candle and the other value gates are open with the green color, I will be for the trade. That is going to be the first test trade. It's not going to be a real trade. Because if that is going to be a winning trade, so it is not a concern trade. Anyway, if this is going to be my first trade, I want it to be a win. That's why I'm going to test it. So if it's going to be a winning trade, I'm confirmed. I have a good confirmation if the price is gonna trend to the upside. No confirmations yet. So right now market is just filtering out patient traders and then patient traders. These are entering the trades pretty randomly. That's not what I do. I have a set of rules that I follow up. That is where I will enter the market. Because I want to get the best trade. I don't want to enter any random trade. I want me to follow my full set of rules, and that is where I'm looking for. Nothing before no entries before the price shows the full confirmation of taking my direction. So that would have been the first leg. So starting from here, first leg. I want my second leg, and on my third leg I'll be looking for entries on this leg. Anyone who's watching the stream, please give it a like and share it among others who would like to watch the stream and would find it beneficial, who are trading intraday and who would like to learn my strategy. They are most welcome to join the Discord team and the Discord server, and also they are most welcome to watch my live stream. No increase, nothing. What I will just adjust the colors so it's a little bit brighter so everyone can pay attention. So now you can see that the structure is not behaving like I wanted it to be because I considered this to be the low of my uh, first bullish leg and it broke that level. So now the structure is shifting and right now it's still creating more confusion for us. So what I will be doing, I will be still sitting out. I want the market to form a good structure. I want the market to show me what it should do so I can follow the set of rules that I have created. I will not be entering any trade right now because I don't have any confirmation. I don't have a continuation pattern. I don't have the price closing above the trend pivots. I don't have any confirmation from my edger, master confirmation or edger volume gains. So nothing is in my favor right now. So it's better for me to just stay out of the market and wait for a proper structure to form. That is what I'm looking for.
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे
Let this close below. As a trend power, that should be my first leg. I just tweak this one to better understanding. Close below. So I want this structure to form. Third leg I will be looking for setups, nothing different. right now it's just testing my patience, and I'm totally comfortable with it because I really don't want to enter any constraints. I'm totally fine sitting for another 2 hours, or not even trading, or not even taking one single trade if the market is not providing all the information that I want. I'm totally fine with it.
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम्
This is just this is just a fool's play, to take all of the fools together and then swap them out before a move is created. Look what is happening. There is no crazy volatility. There is nothing, not a huge move that is telling me that the market is not preparing for a big move or it's not preparing for a trend. It's gonna consolidate for a little longer and then it's gonna shoot up and create a trend. And that's where I'm looking for. That's what I'm aiming for. I want to enter the market when it's trending. I really don't want to enter the market when it's consolidating. So it's not giving me good confirmations to enter. Right? It is packed in this 119.50 points zone, and it is ranging in this 120 points, let's say. So I am not comfortable trading because the price is moving through. The trend pivots are moving through the price, and that is what I want. I want the market to trend nicely and give me good trades. Look, even in the London session, it was not providing good entries. Only from this area, you can see from this range until here, it provided me good range. So that was about 10 o'clock, UTC plus 1 until 11:30. That was the time market provided me good entries. Out of that, there were 2 entries. And right now, it's just consolidating, so I'm not happy to enter the trade at all. Hope that is clear with you guys. And I'm not looking to trade among any immature traders because they would be willing to enter at random candles with random confirmation, and I'm not looking forward to those people. I'm looking forward to trade among those people who are sensible, who know how to trade, and who are fine to not take all of the trades or all of the opportunities or all of the movements that they see on the chart, because that is where your edge comes in. You need to be sure of what is gonna be a good trade and what is just a random trade. So it's very very important for everyone who's watching this stream right now or who's gonna watch this stream later on. It's really really important. No entries yet. So no bearish confirmation back, no bullish confirmation back. I just turn up the volume because right now it's completely missing. So just guys, enjoy the music for this moment. Let's start. Also, if anyone is watching my live stream on YouTube, you are most welcome to subscribe to my channel and share it with others. Thank you so much. So this is going to be our first leg. It's going to be the second one. That's going to be my second level. Price level, top this level. I will look for some power increase, right? Although we are still under inside, deep inside this segment, and you can see this is a big consolidation zone. Right now, the price is right now the price is still consolidating and it's compressing. So we are anticipating a move in another 5 to 10 minutes. So already candle was closed over here and now this is the first 500 candle. This one from this candle onwards. This is going to be our first 500 candle and I'm looking for a good volatility to occur in this between this range. So somewhat like this. Up something in between or after this, I'm looking for a huge movement. I'm anticipating that. If that does not happen, it's also fine. So let's just wait patiently. The price kind of respected the trend pivots and formed this first leg from here. This was the second leg and this can be my third leg. If I get a confirmation, I will be entering. There is not going to be a demo trade or something like that. I will be entering on this leg because this is showing me that this is the third leg. So let's wait. Let's wait for a good volatility and the confirmation with my wallet gates. And if I get it, I will be entering the market for 30 points on either sides. And I'm using depth of markets, so all of my take profits and stop loss levels are already set over here. I just have to click on buy. So it's not looking like that's gonna give us an entry. Okay. So the first consolidation zone has been, the price has come out of it. But there is no official entry yet. Nothing yet. It's just the market is just right now taking the emotion. People want to make $100,000 from trading intraday, but they don't know they have to wait a lot of times. They really need to wait patiently for the right entry. They should not enter any random trades because that is not going to be beneficial for them at all. They're going to lose their capital. So you have to be careful. You have to be sensible about where you have to enter the trade. Don't worry if the market is not giving you an opportunity. It's totally fine. You have the whole year in front of you. There is the full week. If you don't get any trade today, it's totally fine. Don't let it overwhelm your emotions. Don't let the market overwhelm your emotions because when it's happening, you're going to lose a lot of capital and you are going to quit. And that is not the way to make money. If you quit, if you follow nonsense rules, that is never going to help you accumulate the capital and accomplish those goals that you wish for. You have to be really, really careful. The first 5-minute candle has closed, starting from here until here. This is the new candle. So first leg, second leg, this should be the third leg. We are looking for buys right now with a solid confirmation. with the blue color over here, that is the bullish color of my Azure Master Confirmation indicator that I created, and we are looking for green color that is on the Azure volume candle. And Azure point calculator is calculating the points for those candles which are going to be a valid candle, which is going to be a valid candle for an appropriate entry. So this is just filtering out the good and the bad candles with the amount of volume that is accumulated in it, and how big or small the wicks, or what is the strength of the candle. It's filtering bad candles, the weak candles from the strong candles. I don't need that right now. I'll demonstrate about the Azure point calculator some other day. Also, a valid bullish candle and bearish candle are also a part of Azure sessions that can be seen over here. I have not turned it on because I'm using this Azure point calculator, but they are both doing the same thing. So here I can show you the comparison. They both are doing the same things basically. So we can let it on. We can just we don't need to look at both of the indicators right now. I just need to see the strength of the candles with a label sometimes, so it can give me how big or strong the wicks are. So I can filter out the bad candles from good ones. No entry yet, but I'm really anticipating we are going to get an entry very soon, anytime. Just looking for a solid, volatile, strong candle with a good body. And that is what my Azure point calculator is for me. If I get a point over here or below, that is going to be a bullish or valid bullish candle. So if it was a bullish or valid candle, this is the first confirmation. Second confirmation is my Azure trend pivot. Third confirmation would have been my Azure master confirmation, and the fourth one would be my Azure volume gates. These are the confirmations that you need to get. The most important one, even using these indicators, you need to follow the bullish or bearish continuation patterns. The strategy works with the combination of this is the price action that you need to do. That's it. This is the only price action you need to do. Other things are done by Azure trading system. That is what I want to explain to everyone. And also, I have decided to reduce the price for my Azure trading system subscription. You can take a trial for 1 month for free, and from the next month onward, I am giving the subscription out for $25 per month. That is very cheap. So if you are not confident about the subscription, you are most welcome to try it out. Or even if you don't want to trade a trial, you can watch the live streams that I'm putting on my YouTube or on my TradingView. You are most welcome to watch them and understand how I trade and what are the set of the rules that I need to follow before take any trade. Okay, so take your time, guys. I'm here. I'm going to be here. I will be trading live each and every day. Hopefully, if I don't get caught up with other stuff. But as long as I'm doing it, you guys are most welcome to take benefits from what I'm doing here. And the thing with YouTube is that what I'm doing here, it's not showing you the exact live moment. It's somehow delayed for like 30 seconds or 60 seconds or somewhat like that. I don't know, I'm not confirmed yet. So from next week onwards, I will be shooting a live stream also on my TradingView. I got a big problem with because I was advertising people to join my Discord server on my live streaming on TradingView, and that is not what they allow. So they have banned me for 1 week. That's why people who are on TradingView cannot watch my live stream, but they can always watch my live stream. From next week onwards, we are going to do a live stream. So it can be a valid trade if I get green color over here. This panel deposit here. Also, if there's not a confirmation valid bullish candle, right? Like this. This candle had to be. This candle should have add a circle below its low, that would have told me that it's a valid candle. And also, if it was a valid candle, I needed the last confirmation over here. That was my edger volume gates. The gates need to be open when I want to trade. So I really want a strong volume intensity while I'm trading. If this candle gives me a good confirmation, and also I need to tell you guys that if this happens, if the price closes somewhat like at the current high of New York level, this is the high of New York level, today's level, okay? If the price closes somewhat like this from this point and closes like this, I will not be taking the trade because the new high has been formed. I want the price to close here, somewhere like here, so I can enter the trade still here at this level and take my 30 points. If it closes and breaks, this level and gives me an entry over here, that would not be a high winning trade for me. I've tried to test this a lot of times. That's why I want to create this another variation, which is very important. If you want to trade over here, you are most welcome to do that. Take an entry, but I will not do it. So crazy. Different structure. Just plain one. Just plain one. Let's go on for larger country and this what is happening. Market has already that was Friday. Huge upward movement. This is today. Market is in a strong range from this level. Until here. So this is the market range right now. What you should be doing? Should you be trading in the ranges? No. Why? Because you are most likely to stop out each and every time you define a range. The support and resistance levels are gonna kick your accounts. They're gonna bring you into a huge drop down if you want to trade in between these levels. You want to trade here and get into this phase. You have to wait. You have to wait for the time when the market is in a huge trend. Alright? So I'll just take it away. We want a good solid confirmation, otherwise there are no trades for us. As simple as that. No entries yet. Because the market has changed the structure. I will believe this again. It's the third time I'm going to place my continuation pattern. First leg, second leg, and third leg. That happens, entries will appear. It does not happen, no entry. And I cannot really do anything for market to give us an opportunity or an entry. We just have to wait patiently and wait for the right entry so we can act like a hawk. Act like a hawk and drop that entry. So, if the market is baiting you, you have to learn how to bait the market. That is a good quote that I just thought about. So, let's wait patiently. Maybe I can put the softer music over here so we can actually. I am not sure if everyone likes techno over here, but I'm a big fan of techno music and I listen to it like every day. So I'm not sure if others like that or not. But I'll just change the music. Alright. So great volatility. Now it's kicking in finally. Finally, this will be my first leg, right? What happened right now? First leg has been formed. Great volatility. Good or not? Very good. Very good. Should we enter on this leg or not? That is your perception. But I will show you what happens if you enter on the first leg. If we are gonna get an entry over here, I'll show you what happens. If it's going to be a valid trade, I will show you what happens. If you enter without doing the price action, it has to be a valid candle. It was not a valid candle, so there is no entry. But I'll still demonstrate what happens if you would want to enter any time on the first leg. Okay, so this is the demo. First leg is not complete. You see, it gave you like 10-15 points, somewhat something like that. Let me check. We got 17 points, and now it just came back, straight back to the entry level. So this is the first leg right now. Never enter on the first leg. Wait for the second leg and the third leg. That is your confirmation. On my YouTube seconds, I'm really sorry about that. So we are looking for an entry information here. So this was the second leg. Now it takes something. So what happens when something like this happens, right? What profit? So that is what is telling me that the trade is not going to be a profit hitting trade. And why is that? You need to understand this principle in a very good manner. And why is that? So if this was my entry, if this was the first candle that went to a profit, it has to be a consecutive candle with a high volatility and it did not work out here. It just rejected this level, held back. Second candle did the same thing. It went up from doji and fell down smooth candle. So what should you do? You should close the trade at break. However, this is a demo trade. Demo trade that everybody makes. It was good. Right? You are still in the trade. Leg will be down. Guys, need to close above where this is targeting. Give me a combination target or bullish. That is what I want to tell you guys. Never enter on the first leg and it is not happen on the first leg. Need the continuation, enter on the continuation of the first leg. Price is again shifting the structure, right? But what happened? Demo trade has touched the stop loss. That's why I say never trade on the demo trade. Never take the first trade on the first leg. Never trade on the first leg. First leg, second leg. This one leg. This is going to be only valid second leg if the price closes still close to about the original leg. And if it's going to close still above the original target, that is going to be valid second leg. It's not valid second leg. If it goes above this trade. You know this is before you get to it. There is a shift in the structure again. This is just a manipulation. That's why I say don't enter on the first leg. You got really manipulated. Let me turn my I will turn this on so we know what the structure of the market is. Now the structure has shifted again to the bullish side, bearish side. This is what I'm looking for. now I'm going to just wait marketing to be slow today. It's never like that. Like I don't know. It's just because it's Monday today. That's why it feels like that. But normally it's not like that. And I still have like half an hour, like half an hour. I'll be 20 minutes editing. I'm going to do 20 minutes after that. So let's just be patient, guys. I'm being impatient now. So that is going to be my third leg over here from this point onwards. Because price came and tested the median price, median average for this 119 points or 120 points or something like that. This line tested the gray line and rejected from this level. So this is my confirmed first level because my structure is still not broken. The price is still bullish. You can see it here. The price is in the favor of long entries. And if I get an entry over here, I will be looking for the entry. So HR volume trades have been opened and from the 3 to 1, I'm in the trade right now. Alright, let's go. That is the first official entry of this year's 2023. First entry of 2023. And this is what I was looking for. I did not want the price to close at today's high. I wanted it to close somewhere below this level so we can look for some entries. We are about 7.5 points, 8 points in. Almost 16 points. Price is about to hit our take profit. Let's just wait. We're rejecting. If this is going to be a doji, I'll exit the trade. As simple as that. If it's going to be a doji candle, I don't want to stay in this trade anymore. It has to be a solid candle. If it's going to be a doji, I'm out of it, guys. Pay attention to what I'm saying. And I'll explain why. So it's not that weak candle, it's a good candle with the valid confirmation. So it's gonna hit my take profit level. We are about 20 points in. 20.75 points. If you are comfortable, you can secure some of your capital and put the stop loss and break even. But I'm looking here for a full target of 30 points. That is going to be the first trade. We have still 33 points or 33 seconds to go. Not be a doji. Good. 8 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3. Next candle should hit my take profit level of 4 points. I'm going to do it. I'm really looking for a full take profit level here. 25 points, 27 points, 28. 28.5, 29 points. Come on, give me my 30 points. 29.5. Perfect. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Be patient. Be patient. Great trade. That is what is I want to do. indoor traders. I'm really looking for people who want to learn how to trade and actually accumulate or accomplish their goals, what they wish for. Great trade, very nice trade. So plus 1% for today on my FTMO. So if you were not patient, you were losing your capital, and you are going to lose if you're not going to follow the set of rules that you have created or the set of rules of strategy that you are using. You need to be really patient and attentive, guys. Really attentive and patient. That is the goal. That should be your goal. Nothing else. You want to trade, you have to be disciplined. That is what discipline is. You are not going to learn any of these things from any book over there. You are going to learn more when you are practicing something over and over and over again. Very important lesson. Because it does not look good to me when it's always good. I like something like this. I really like this chart, but the indicators that I'm using are messing it up. So I zoom it as much as I can. So I have a clear picture of where I'm going, right? This is a cleaner leg for me. And that is totally comfortable with me. Now if you ask me to trade somewhere like this, it's too messy for me and I cannot trade. I don't have to look back. The indicators are looking back for me. I really have to look at the current market condition. That is where I will actually trade. My edge is with my system that I have created. That's why I've called it an edge trading system. And another edge what I have is from the way I look at the market. And the other edge, multiple edges are combining together to make me work as an edger. These all qualities that I have built, this asset that I have built over the time is very important for me to trade from. I need to look forward to these qualities before I take a trade. If you want to follow this strategy like a textbook strategy, you would not be entering this trade. But this is what I've learned over the time, that how it works. And you should be, it makes sense, right? It makes sense or not. If you want to go maybe perhaps a 3-minute time frame, then you are going to see it's a good leg, it's a right leg. First leg, second leg, and third leg. On the 3rd-minute time frame, the price did not close below the edge of the that I know it already, that the price kind of ranged around this area and created the 3rd leg. But if you want to follow it as a textbook, like I was defining it before, I was considering it the first leg and this was the 2nd and the 3rd leg. I was looking for that. If the price closed below this level again and went further down, that would have been my 3rd leg first period, guys. But it did not. It managed to stay in the bullish structure. And that's what it did. First leg, 2nd leg, and the 3rd leg. And we also see in a better way on 5-minute cycle. First leg, 2nd leg, 3rd leg. I'm trading on 1-minute time frame, but I have my position already on higher time frames. So I know how the candles are going to form if I want to look for a certain leg on a higher time frame, perhaps somewhere from like this to this. I know it's not a strong candle, it's a weak candle. If I want to go on the 5-minute time frame, I see it's a weak candle, it's not a valid candle for me. So I know if I combine the candles that I want to combine, how the candle on a bigger time frame, right? Opening price, closing price. You need to understand how candles get closed. That's very important. I have that knowledge while working. I'm comfortable working with my system. That's why I was fine waiting for this whole period of 1 hour 30, 1 hour 3 minutes. We were not entering any trade because we were not comfortable with that. We were not providing the service that we were doing. So, very important. Follow your rules. And then, otherwise, it makes no sense. another entry over here. I've not entered because I was not prepared. So guys, do not enter this trade. Let's set it up further. You can enter it in this one. I will put a file limit over there. So perfect trade, another continuation trade, about 10 points in it. I was not looking at it, so I missed this entry. I've been caught up with everything, with streaming and managing my Discord. It's just been too much because I'm starting after a long time. So it should not happen. It should really not happen. And now we have got like another 1% over here. 26 points, 26.5 points in it. So hopefully this channel is going to give us our 30 points. If not, then the second one. But if you are in this trade, you should really close, not close, make this trade risk free. I'm really anticipating it to hit my target at this point. Perfect. Just a few points. Just a few points. I mean, it was, how many points? 29.75. Okay. I'll only consider if it hits my target of 30 points, right? And it will. I'm getting bit confident about it. So even if it's giving you like 29.75 points, it should be good, right? 30 points, just like 0.25 points, would not get a few points. But if you're using Dawn, it would have hit your kick on the ball. I was writing this trade, so I cannot say. But you see, perfect second trade. Great hit. So you see, we have waited for so long, and now the market is giving us back-to-back opportunities to enter and giving us win after win. That is very good. That is what you deserve after waiting for so long, right? That is what is filtering you from the impatient traders. That is your edge. So another entry is forming up, but we don't have a confirmation yet, neither on Azure Master confirmation or on nor on Azure Volume gates. So a few minutes left, guys, and I'll be shutting down the stream as soon as we hit like 17 o'clock because I'm not willing to trade after that. That is when I define my or I conclude my trading session for the day. So I will be waiting for another 2 minutes and officially ending the trade, ending the session, the stream over there. What happened on this candle? Let me go back. All right. That is going to be my first leg, second leg, and the third leg. But we are done for the day. Got plus 2%. Pretty nice. I just document that. So no entries for me, guys. I'll be concluding this stream right here and right now, and we are going to be looking forward to tomorrow's stream. Today we are closing with two trades with plus 2%, and which is pretty nice for the day for the first trade of this year. I'm looking forward to many more in the upcoming sessions. All right, Grace. If you like the content, then please like the video and subscribe it to my channel, and also share it with others who would be interested in learning my method. Kudos, guys. Have a nice one. Take care. Bye bye. And do not forget to